Hi, welcome to Hurley's Hangout. Yes, I'm going to try this live. I wanted to actually share about a tinted skincare that my company just put out, and it's not makeup, but it is a skincare tinted so that it's actually helping your skin but not clogging pores or anything. It's helping with finishing touches after your regimen. So I've done with my morning regimen, and there's two ways to apply this perfecting liquid. One is if you put it on the back of your hand, just need a little. I'm actually going to do two sides of my face. So one, you have this tapered brush, you just kind of dab it. And you can dab it on your face. So again, I'm only going to do half my face right now so I can show you the other. So if you can see, I've got a redness on my nose and kind of my cheeks. So with this tapered brush, I can actually get in under my eyelashes, my eyes, in the crevice of my nose, right here. You can already see that it hasn't really given me a different color. It actually matches really well, but it's taking away that redness. So this brush, okay, so I'm not a makeup person. It's usually thick, foundation gets, kind of cracky and thick on a face, and I was a little nervous about trying this, but I really like it. There's 6 shades, and I think I found the perfect one. So it doesn't look automatically like I'm wearing makeup, but as you can tell, it definitely takes the red away. So the other way to apply it, that's with the tapered brush, is to put a little on your finger. So you would be doing 2 hands, and when you kind of dot it around, and my nose, you're going to gently feather it out away from the center of your face, because you still want to be gentle with your skin. So a couple things I really am liking about this is it's lightweight. If I wasn't looking in the mirror, I could potentially forget which side I applied it. It takes away redness. It's actually good for me. It's skincare, because our dermatologists are in the skincare business, not the makeup business. That's kind of fun. And it's easy to take off with makeup. And if you ever have to put more, like I'm going to put some more on my nose, you just dab a little bit more and it doesn't feel like you're caking it on. Look at that. Oh, awesome. Another thing is it doesn't clog your pores, so they really made it a lightweight, even though you get this great color. And with the 6 colors, you can put different colors under your eyes, along your nose, darker around your face, contour on your cheeks. But I wanted to show you that it's a liquid that you don't need a lot. You can put it on with a brush or with your hands, and I actually like it a lot for a person that doesn't do makeup. So this is another 15 seconds that I add to my routine, and I feel like I'm good to go. So right now, I have clear mascara on my eyelashes because of the conditioning serum that I'm using. So daily, I don't have to wear mascara. But if I want to, I can whip up some mascara, some gloss or color lips, and I'm good to go. Hope this helped. And if you have any questions about this SPF skincare that protects your face, please drop a note, send me a message, and I'd be more than happy to help you out. Have a great day. Bye.